So today I'll be showing you how to attach the wrist straps to your JoyCons or your Nintendo Switch controllers. So this is going to be very simple. Now, either wrist strap can go into either JoyCon, but it's the direction that makes the difference. Now, I'll pick up one of the wrist straps and you can see it has this positive sign on that side and a negative side on the other side. A negative sign on the other side. So we have plus and minus. So basically what you want to do is to connect, make sure the plus symbol aligns with the plus symbol at the top here, or if you're going to use it here, make sure the minus sign aligns with the minus signs here. Okay, so let's start with the plus. So basically at the end, this should come next to this plus and this plus should come next to each other. Let me just bring it closer so you can see. So this plus and this plus should end up like this. Okay, so that's your guide on how to insert them. So now you want to take this wrist strap, and you can see it has railings, and you want to align it like that, and then once it sits properly, just push it in until you hear it lock in place. And then for even extra safety, make sure this lock is fastened by pushing it down and it's gonna lock in place. Okay, so it says lock in this direction, so you push it like that to lock. To unlock, just if it's like that, it's unlocked. So to lock, just press it like that, and now that's locked and it's now ready to be used. All right, you can do the same for the other one. So since we have minus here, then we should turn it like this and have minus on this other side, and then it's the same process. So just take it and push it in like that. You'll hear it click in place, and then you can now go to the locker and lock it. And that's basically how to attach the wrist straps on the Joy-Cons of your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.